day in a row. The U.S. broke the daily record of new coronavirus cases, topping more than 120,000 just today.
And in Missouri, we just recorded a new record of nearly 4,500 new COVID-19 cases, and nearly 650 of them came from the Kansas City area. Take a look at this graph. You see the blue bar? That represents deaths. The purple line shows COVID cases, and you can see Kansas City now at its highest number of cases and deaths ever. The last highest peak we recorded was back in July. With new cases skyrocketing, some local hospitals say they're reaching capacity. 7 chief medical officers from around the metro expected to talk tomorrow on the impact of COVID-19 on hospitals. The University of Kansas Health System among those hospitals.
It actually hurts to look at those numbers today. We have the highest number we've had, 51 inpatient confirmed cases, 18 in the ICU and 10 on the ventilators. We have about 28 recovered.
And now some local schools are now reevaluating whether to continue in-person learning or go back to school online.
41 Action News reporter Ariel Rothfield explains.
As the number of COVID-19 cases surge in our community, school leaders in Olathe are continuing to have tough conversations.
What is happening right now is undoubtedly unacceptable. But fortunately, you all have the opportunity to reverse this mistake that has been made.
Listening to both students and parents.
Are we putting the kids first? I mean, heck, we got bars and casinos open.
Deciding what a school day will look like.
Right now, the level of transmission in schools is much lower than what we're seeing in the community.
In the Turner School District, to prevent school spread, the high school transitioned back to virtual learning after 26 students tested positive for COVID-19. Currently, 130 students and 30 staff members are quarantined at home. And it's not the only district. Excelsior Spring is also going back to virtual learning until Thanksgiving, posting on Facebook Thursday that more than 150 students and staff are currently in quarantine after individuals tested positive. Writing, we found out through our contract tracing a number of parties were held over Halloween weekend where positive COVID cases were spread to multiple students. Those infected students then brought COVID into our schools and athletic teams, a situation all schools, including Olathe, hope to avoid.
And if we continue on an ever-increasing trajectory for incident rate and percent positive, it will impact our school.
Reporting, Ariel Rothfield, 41 Action News.